I got my newest hairpiece. Okay, so it has this part. And I'm always nervous, is it gonna match my hair color? And I feel like this one's one of the closest ones I've ever gotten to my actual hair color. So that's exciting. Okay, there's a couple methods. This is the easiest method I've learned, where you kind of put it down as low as you can, and then you just take your hair and put it over it. Now, I haven't even styled my hair this morning. I literally just have some bed head, and I'm going to just do this the fast way that I've learned how to do it. Okay, and then the biggest thing is you're gonna have to make sure that that line is invisible there in the front. So I like to just kind of flip my hair over it and then really blend, blend, blend. Okay. This is so simple. It's crazy how easy it is. Okay, and then when we feel like we've blended it, that's good. I'll take the pieces that are longer than my hair, and we're gonna wanna blend with my current hair. So mine is a little bit lighter. You can see that difference right there. So I would probably wanna just kind of keep brushing it through. But look at this. It actually just looks like a nice little ombre effect. And again, I didn't even style my hair yet this morning. Pretty amazing, right? This stuff is so good. This is my new trick so that I don't have to do my hair every day.